Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you the quick fix for the insufficient storage on your Nokia 5217. Many Nokia 5 users struggle with low internal storage because here we do have only 16 GB of storage, causing app installation or system updates to fail. I recommend at first to delete or offload unneeded data. So at first we need to go straight to the files here and delete some useless files. Here we have it up continue. Here we can enter downloads. It's fresh phone, so I won't have it anything here, but I will show you that you can delete something. You can delete some useless images, useless videos, audio, documents and others, apps. This is the first thing that you'll reclaim space immediately, but of course it's not sufficient space, so we are going to head to the next step, which is moving media to SD card slot. In the SIM card slot in this phone we have compatible SD cards, which is the microSD, and you can easily put your microSD card here. As you can see, you can easily put it here, and then you can plug your SIM card tray back again, and here now you can move your data, all your data from your phone to the microSD card. For example, all your photos. You can buy yourself for not much money 128 GB a microSD card, and you can transfer your photos here. It's very useful. I've used this microSD card a lot, and I recommend doing so too. If you can't do it, you can just move your data to cloud, for example Google Photos, Google Drive, etc. It's very cheap too, and until you have a new phone you can easily store your data here, and it's very safe. Apart from that, you can use storage expansion options, of course the SD cards or even the USB flash drives. You just have to have a adapter for the micro USB, I guess. Here, no. As I can see here, we do have the USB type C. Or no, micro SD. Pardon, micro SD, a micro cable. So we have to have an adapter for the micro cable, a micro USB cable, and then we can start our data on the USB flash drives. And of course that's it. We can't really do anything else apart from deleting our files. If you want to have them, we have to have this insufficient storage problem. And if you want to get rid of this problem after deleting your files, if you have some 2 to 3 GB free, let me show you where you can easily check how much you have. At first you have to enter settings, and here you have to scroll down to the storage. Here, as you can see, I have 7 GB free. If you have 2 to 3, you can download the system update again. So now we can go back, scroll all the way down to the system. Here now we can go to advanced, scroll down to system update. And here, if you have some updates, you can tap check for update and install this update. This should fix your problem, your alert that you have insufficient storage. And yeah, that should be all for this video. Hope you liked it, hope it helped you, because these are very quick fixes, as you can see, and not to waste your time. Of course you can do a factory reset of your phone, but I think that's not the fix, because you want to have your data. But if you of course don't want your data, you can do a factory reset. To do a factory reset you can go back, and here in this system you can go back again. Go back to the system, advanced, and here reset options. Here tap erase all data, factory reset. You will lose all your data, all your photos or your videos that are stored directly on the phone without the backup. And yeah, but you will have much more storage, and you won't have insufficient storage. So yeah, Hope it helped you. As I said, if you have any questions or comments, just leave them in the comments below. I will reply to them very quickly. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.